For today's video, we're gonna show you how to make these tacos that look like tacos de borrego, but they're actually not. They're vegan tacos, and that is because it is made from jackfruit. Hope you enjoy this video and wait till the end of the video because I will try them out. You're gonna get cumin, chili powder, oregano, paprika, a can of jackfruit in water, and some tomato sauce. I'm gonna add in 1 teaspoon of all those ingredients, and for the oregano it will be 1 pinch. Now you will mix it with the whisk. You're gonna put the jackfruit on pan. The pan does not have oil yet, and as you can see on your screen, we're gonna try to make the jackfruit look like shredded beef. And then you're gonna turn the heat to medium high. Then that is when you pour in the oil, cut up some onion and put it in the pan. And then right now you're just gonna mix it all together. Then you're gonna cover it with the lid. Then you're gonna take out chipotle, and you can take out 2 pieces because this is where we're gonna make the sauce for the jackfruit. And then you're gonna pour in the whole entire, what is this, carton of tomato sauce? And then you're gonna blend it all together until it's like a sauce texture. And then you're gonna pour in the seasoning and the jackfruit, and as well as the sauce. And then you're gonna mix it all together. As you can see, we're mixing it very well. And make sure you incorporate the seasoning sauce together with the jackfruit. You're gonna cover your pan and you're gonna let it sit for around 10 minutes with a low heat. You can add in whatever toppings you like. I added cilantro, onion, and cabbage. There's the cabbage, there's the cilantro, and then there is the onion. There you go. Yummy. Looks so good. Delicious. And then obviously you're gonna put some lemon. And this is the end result. Oh my gosh, it looks so delicious. Wow. Masterpiece. And now it is taste test time. Very delicious. We've made these tacos many times before, and it's like a favorite meal in this house. So if you create this, let me know. Let me know if you like it or not. But trust me, you will not only like it, but you will love it. Make sure you subscribe and like and comment down below whatever recipes you want me to make. And I'll see you next time. Bye! Hi everyone, I really hope you enjoyed that video. It was my first time doing a voiceover. I am now going to add in some bloopers because I really did lose my syntax while speaking. We're gonna try to get the texture of shredded beef using a spatula. Now you're going to whisk it. Now you're gonna whisk it with the, oh my gosh, I can't even speak. Like I put cilantro, onion, and cabbage. I was gonna say roast chicken. That is so good. I can literally taste it. That's what she said. Oh no, I cannot do that.